Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher and I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a castle. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It always helps me make more of these. Now here's how to draw a castle that looks like it stepped right out of the Middle Ages. I love how symmetrical this castle is, meaning there's a line of symmetry that runs up the middle, and everything that is on one side is reflected on the other. That always makes things easier to understand when you're drawing them. Let's get started. First, the materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free PDF tutorial from my website. Look in the description for a link. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make guides on your paper. Just fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it back up again. You'll have lines that match my directions, which really do help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Draw a door centered in the lower middle with a round top. Step number 2, start a pillar on the right side. It has two slightly angled sides and a curved bottom. Draw the same pillar shape on the left side. Step number 3, add a ground line to connect the shapes. Step number 4, now draw angled lines to start the top shape that kind of looks like a cap. And finish it with stair-step lines that go across. Now start the same shape on the left side with the same two angled lines. And then complete it with a stair-step line across, just like you did on the right side. Step number 5. The center wall also needs to be finished off with a stair-step line that goes all the way across. Now finish off these pillars with some horizontal lines to give them some edges. Step number 6. Next comes a center tower that sits behind the wall and has a cone-shaped roof on top. Step number 7. Complete this tower with some windows inside. Now you can also add some windows to the two front pillars too. Now make a door frame by adding another line around the door. Then draw two boards that go across the front. And to finish the wooden look of the door, add vertical lines for the boards. And for a final touch to the castle, add a flag on top that is blowing in the wind. Step number 8. Okay, this landscape drawing needs a horizon line. And a few mountains in the background will make it a little more interesting. Step number 9. It's time to start tracing all those pencil lines with your black marker. Work slowly so you can stay right on top of those lines. When you're done, it's a good time to erase any extra pencil lines that you see. You can't do that after you color over them with crayons. Okay, it's finally time to color. I think I'd like my castle to be colorful, so I'm going to make it purple. This is actually kind of a violet color, but whatever you use, press hard so that the color really stands out. That big door seems like it should be brown with all those wooden boards. I think the windows should be black, as it's probably pretty dark inside. The grass is going to be a grassy green. No surprise there, right? To make the mountains a little different, I'm going to use a light yellow-green. Now this color especially needs some extra pressure. It's light, so you have to press pretty hard for it to show up. You know, it might be fun to add clouds and a sun before you color the sky, but I'm just going to fill mine in a solid blue. And again, press hard so that you leave a really bright color. Oh, and the very last thing to color in, the flag. And there is my finished castle drawing. I think the mountains in the background add some extra fun and could certainly be colored all different kinds of ways too. Maybe purple mountains and a green castle. Who knows, anything goes when it's your drawing. Thank you for following along with me, and I hope you've enjoyed this castle tutorial video. I do have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a house and how to draw a school. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.